Hello, you beautiful 99ers. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Sway to the 99, and I typically post 99-cent store hauls, walkthroughs, Dollar Tree store walkthroughs, and hauls, and also cooking videos where I show you guys how to make budget meals using all ingredients from the 99-cent only store or Dollar Tree. So if that is something that interests you, definitely hit the subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be doing no bake cheesecake, or in this case it's going to be no bake mini cheesecake. So I'm really excited. I went on to the 99-cent only store and I picked up all the ingredients that I need. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this very easy, simple, no bake a recipe. And just note this will be a overnight process, or just something to keep in mind if you are trying to do this for any event. But don't worry, for you guys it's only going to take a couple of minutes, so power of editing. So all right, let's get started. So just to quickly show you all of the items that we'll need in today's video. So we of course need cream cheese. You do need two of these. I couldn't find graham crackers, so I'm using Teddy Grahams, which is totally fine. A good friend of mine, 99 Loyal, said it was a great substitute. So if she's wrong, you can blame her. Just kidding. And I am actually using the cupcake holder that I bought the other day, and I am using my little cupcake tissues that I got as friend mail. I'm really excited to use them. They are pineapples, and these were actually gifted to me by Naparuski. So Naparuski, as you can see, I'm using the cupcake holders. So, and here are the rest of the ingredients that we need. So of course we need some sugar. We do need some butter spray, rather, just to spray onto the pan and make sure that nothing sticks onto the sheet. We also need some condensed milk, vanilla extract, and well, I technically needed lemon juice, but they only had lime juice, so I was like, you know what, it's fine. We're gonna substitute today. It's not that big of a deal, and it's just a couple of drops to give it that tangy taste. So here is everything you will need. And like I said, this is going to be an overnight video, or rather overnight baking. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my crust ready, and of course this we'll be using the Teddy Grahams. All right, I think that's good. I'll roll it for now, and if I need more, I could always add some more. And people always ask me, what blender do I use? I use the Ninja. I got this as a gift a few years back from my best friend, who purchased it during Black Friday at Target. And I absolutely love it. It works perfect. So while I wait for the butter to melt, I am going to spray the each little cup with a little bit of this butter flavored nonstick to help make sure nothing sticks together. And again, you just want to make sure you give it a nice coat. There we go. All right, so next we're going to add a 1/4 of sugar. Actually, I'm not even going to do a fourth. I'm just going to do about half of that. Just because I don't like things too sweet. And then we're gonna add our melted butter. Ooh, melted. Sound like Homer Simpson. And now you want to blend everything again. Make sure that everything is completely blended together. All right, so and the way to know if it's ready, if you can see that it can stick together, that's when you know that you are ready to make your crust. You can see right there, it holds. And this, don't worry, this since it's going to be overnight in the fridge, it will get a little bit harder, so which is perfect. So now to get some of the crust into the sheet, make sure it's all nice and even. There we go. Oh, and this smells so tasty. It smells so sweet. Must be all that sugar and butter. There we go. And I'm going to just do this by hand just to make sure that everything gets in there. There we go. Just pressing lightly. I'm gonna make sure everything is spread out and even across the sheet. And just giving you guys a closer look at the crust. I know there's a little bit of butter spray left over, but that's totally fine. So yeah, so you guys can see everything is coming together. All right, so next I'm going to be adding in my room temperature cream cheese. And I don't have obviously a mixer, but I'm gonna just do this by hand. And you do wanna have two to make sure that everything, that you have enough to cover your mini cupcake. So I'm gonna use 6. And if there's any leftover, of course, you could always, make more or just snack on it. I don't know, I'm just kidding. So here is the before, and now let's start to soften this up. And here is the after, and yes, my arms are hurting, but it looks creamy. So what we're gonna do now is add just a tad of vanilla extract. Oop, or a lot. That's what I get for not paying attention. And about 1/3 of the condensed milk. There we go. A little more. There we go. Perfect. And just a tiny couple of drops of lime juice just to give it that zesty taste. And now to go back and blend some more. Wish me luck. And here is the after. Now for the second to last step, which is to put the cream cheese into the cupcake sheet and put it in the fridge, and I will be back. And now let's start filling up these individual cups. Ooh, so excited. So make sure that each one gets enough, and then I can go back and give each one any leftovers. So make sure that they're all even. There we go. So now it's ready for the fridge. So I'm gonna leave this for about 24 hours, and that should give it enough time. Yummy. No spoilers. That should give it enough time to get hardened, and then we can do, what we'll do tomorrow is I'll put some toppings on it and then give it a taste test. All right, so it's been about 24 hours since I put the mini cheesecakes in the fridge, and this is a perfect time to put them out or bring them out of the fridge. Now I'm gonna just top them off with a little bit of pomegranate seeds and give them a quick taste test. So before we go into that, I just wanted to quickly just say thank you to everybody who's been emailing me their information for me to send them a holiday card exchange. And don't worry, I know I haven't been replying to anyone yet. I've just been getting so many emails, so I just wanna make sure that I get all of those out between today, Wednesday, and tomorrow, Thursday. So don't worry, your cards will be going out. I do apologize, I'm not ignoring anyone. I've just been getting so many. So if you guys want to be part of it, I will put the details down below, but just email me at swaytothe99@gmail.com, and I will also include that down below. All right, so now for the unveiling part, I'm so excited to see how they came out. So let's take a quick peek. I want to show you, this is what they look like. They're still in the pan. I'm just gonna lightly tap. Yeah, they're pretty hard. And don't worry, I did wash my hands, so no one is eating dirty cupcakes. But anyway, so yes, these are pretty solid. So I'm going to open one up and show you how it looks. And then I will put toppings on the rest. So I just want to show you what it looks like, or show all of us, and then I will top it off with some pomegranate seeds. All right, so here is what they look like with the wrapper on. So I'm going to start slowly peeling it off. That way we can see how it kept its shape. Ooh, this is so exciting. And they're not exactly perfect, which is fine. You know, I feel like them not being perfect gives them a little bit more uniqueness, and it gives them, just shows their personality. So that is what, let's see if you guys can see there. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, the crust actually came out pretty good. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna lift it up and so you guys can see the full detail of the mini cheesecake. So as you can see, it still has some of the edges of the cupcake, So this is a perfect little treat, especially for the holidays when you're trying to, enjoy yourself, but also not overindulge. So this would be a perfect item. So with that, I'm going to start putting some pomegranate seeds on the rest and give it a quick taste test. You know what? I think I'm going to try with this one first, since I've already, kind of messed with it a little bit. So I'm just going to give this one a little bit of color. And yeah, that looks good. Now to do the rest. I think I'm only going to do half with the pomegranate seeds, so that way the other half can be just plain, in case someone doesn't like it. They don't have to eat it with pomegranate. So that's 2. So then I'm going to do 3 and 3. So yeah. Ooh, this looks so good. I'm so excited, you guys. Actually, I'm going to flip you over so you can see. Ooh, these are looking so scrumptious. I really like the ones with the pomegranate, but there is nothing wrong with the plain ones. I just do definitely seem to be drawn more to more colorful. So now for the most exciting part, to give it a quick bite. All right, so now for the official taste test. I'm so nervous, but excited to try it. So I'm going to do the one with the pomegranate seeds just to get the full flavor. Wow. Okay. So the seeds give it a very crunchy taste, but overall, this tastes really good. And I'm not just saying that. It just tastes really good. I'll give it another bite. Wow. It's really creamy. And there is a very, very tiny tart taste, and that's the lime juice, but it's so light. Oh my God. This is actually really good. It's funny because I'm actually surprised. Well, not surprised, but because because I've never made these before. Oh my God, it's so good. Wow. Yeah, I'm speechless. This is good. Sorry. That's what the apron is for. Or if you guys didn't see, my apron is the pineapple, and it does say "Sweet to the 99." This was actually a gift that I got from RJ Olives, a really good friend and subscriber of mine. So RJ Olives, see, I always wear my apron. So I think the verdict is these are amazing, and you guys, please, you have to try this for the holidays. I'm not exaggerating. This is really good, and I'm just so excited because I made it. I'm like, oh, I can say I made this very delicious treat, and I know everybody at home will love it. And I am actually from New York, so I'm used to like having the best cheesecake, and by no means am I saying this is like New York cheesecake quality, but I'm just saying that it's actually not bad for a no-bake cheesecake. It's very delicious, and obviously I did purchase the generic cream cheese, which is totally fine because after you mix all the ingredients, it tastes just like any other cheesecake. So I would definitely say give this one a try. I think the kids will enjoy this, all family members, especially since it is a small size. You don't have to have a whole slice of cheesecake, because I initially was going to do a whole just a regular pie, but I thought, you know what, when I try minis and just to see how it goes, and I'm glad I did because they're just so delicious. So I can't wait to have others try them here. So yeah, I'm like eyeballing because I'm like, oh, I don't want to talk anymore, I just want to eat it. So thank you again, and you guys, as a reminder, as I mentioned before, I am sending out gift cards. Not gift cards, I keep saying gift cards. I am sending out holiday cards this week, as I'm getting all the addresses from different people. So if you guys do want to be part of that, if you want to exchange cards, let me know. I will link down all the information down in the description of this video. So Thank you so much for all those who have already sent me their information. And thank you for tuning in every single week. And one thing, if you guys haven't watched my latest 99 Sister walkthrough, definitely please check it out. I did announce the winner, and I have not received an email from the winner. So if you haven't checked out the video, check it out, because you might be the winner. And if I don't receive an email by Friday with the winner's information, I will actually draw a new name on Saturday. So definitely don't want to make sure nobody misses out. So if you are the winner, definitely email me, and I will get your prize out as soon as possible. So thank you again for watching. I will be back on Saturday. I will actually be in Orange County. So if you guys want to, if you guys will see what I find in Orange County, I will be with Couponing for a Cause. If you guys are near in the area, we will be doing a toy drive, the 12th annual Popeyes toy drive. So I'm really excited about that as well. So with that, I will leave you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And as always, don't forget to do the 99.